Yes, I love my farm animals, Dada. Yeah, is that the piggy or is that the cow? Put the cow up here? Put the cow up there? Oh, you putting it on the horsey? Well, that's a silly boy. I love my farm animals, Dada. Put cow back up there. Yes, Dada. Oh boy. Yes, this is one of my favorite activities. Jaja, is that the hen? Is that the hen? Can you put the hen up there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one's that? Is that the lammy? Where does the lammy go? Oh, good job. Yes, sirree. Oh boy. Yeah, is that the hen? You put the hen up here? Yeah, I'm supervising. Oh, after breakfast poo-poo phase. Oh, yeah. Everything's stopping right now. Oh, boy.